Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In previous video, I had demonstrated how we can add data in JSON using HTML and PHP. You can watch that video for detailed explanation. I have provided link in the description. I will give brief idea on what I had done. So this is the HTML file which is used to get data from the user. The user has to enter code and name. Then this data is passed to json_store.php file, which will verify the data. If it has been added, then it will be added to the data.json file, and then the file gets updated with whatever data that has been inserted. In this video, I am going to demonstrate how we can display that data in the front end. So we will be creating one PHP file for that. I am creating PHP file instead of HTML so that I can write the dynamic code also within the same file, and it also supports the HTML tags. So I'm creating a new file, saving it as display_json.php. Now here I'll be writing the HTML tags first. So HTML, let's write a close of HTML. Then we have a head tag. And within hashtag we'll be writing the title of the page. So the title is JSON display. Closing title tag. Now after the head we'll do the body part. So open a body and close a body. Then it should be closed. Yeah. Now here we will start our PHP code. So I am going to give the open and close of PHP. So this is the opening and closing block for PHP. Now here we will write our code to display the JSON file. So the first, let's start with the data variable, which is having no value in it. Then we will give a file name variable where we are going to save the file name. So our file name is data.json. Now if there exists such a file, then we are going to write that data into the data variable. So for that we have to use notation is file. File name. If that exists, we are going to get data from file and write it to data. So file underscore get contents, and we are going to provide the file name. So here we have updated our data. Now we have to convert that data to the JSON array. So another variable we are creating, JSON array, which is going to be like JSON decode of data. So we have decoded our data to array. Now let's display it. So for that we have to give echo, and we will be printing it with the pre tag. Print close of pre tag. So this is the code for displaying of data. Now let's try running this. So I have to go to localhost, and I'll be calling display.json. So when we call this is printing the data, but it is not properly formatted. So let's check it again. So we have to give it true over here. Now if I refresh it, it is displaying in the pretty formatted. So this is how we can display our JSON data in the front end using PHP. If you have any queries regarding this video, let me know in the comments. I'll try to resolve them. Thank you for watching the video.